Today I will be teaching you how to navigate the basics of D2L if you are an incoming student. This is the D2L homepage where you can find all of your classes for this semester, and you can also find classes for your previous semesters. And if you've already registered for next semester, you can actually see those as well. You can't click on any of them yet because they haven't started, but you can see them already on here. And all you have to do to go to a class is click on it, and it will take you to the announcements page, which your teacher may post announcements for reminders and lessons and things like that. If you go to content, that's where you will find pretty much everything you need for your class. This is where you will find your syllabus. You will also find your assignments and schedules. This class is set up as weeks, and it tells you when the week begins, so you always know which week you're on. Then if you go to assessments, you can go into the drop box, which is where you'll see that you can submit projects, papers, things like that if your teacher allows you to do it online. In assessments, you can also find your grades, which is very helpful. You can see what the teacher has graded, what your grade was, and they can also leave feedback, which is very nice for you to improve on your next projects. You can also find quizzes. This class does not have any quizzes online, but a lot of classes do have online quizzes, and you will go there to complete them. When you go to communication, you can have the class list, which is very helpful if you miss a day of class or you would like feedback on something from a fellow student. You can find all of the classmates in here, and if you click on a name, you can automatically send an email to that person. Under communication, there's also discussions, which this class does not have any discussion boards, but there are ways to make a discussion board, and then the entire class will have a question or multiple questions to answer, and you can all see each other's responses. Under resources, you can see your attendance, the calendar, links, which a lot of teachers will post external links to other websites for you to look at. You can also go to Starfish from here, which is a great website that helps you get in contact with your instructors or professors and actually make appointments with them through this website. And if you are already in a class on D2L, you can click right over here, and it will have your full list of classes, so you can click between any classes you'd like while you're already on here. And then to go back to the home page, you just click CalU, and you're right back at the beginning. So that is the basics of navigating the CalU D2L website, and I hope you enjoy your time at CalU.